Hello everybody, it's Arnold from Supertech Electronics and we're going to show you how to remove a Prius head unit. You'll need a plastic spudger and an 8mm socket, or a Phillips head screwdriver instead of an 8mm socket. Now this part here surrounds the stereo. That's the part we're going to remove with the plastic spudger, and you can do that by starting up the top and just feeding it around and undoing the clips. Now that can just sit up the top there. That will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm sockets. Okay, now that we've got all the 4 screws out, the whole unit will come out. Now it will be joined with electrical connections, and we'll need to remove those. Don't worry, they only go in one spot, so you can't get them mixed up. Okay, now that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.